First of all, you will need to have GitHub account. You will find link for the registration in the resources. I'm not going to register, instead I will use my existing account and create a new repository. It's very straightforward. In the repository section of your account, you have the option to create a new repository right over here. We will provide a unique name for this repository. Sentinel sounds good. And I will also leave it accessible to anyone and provide you with the link as well. As we are going to progress in this course, more resources will be created. You will find everything related to this course inside this repository. Moving on, we have to add README file to initialize repository. This will set the main branch as well. And that's it. Go on and create your repository. We are now all set up to connect our GitHub repository with Microsoft Sentinel. So let's do that next.